Toro always puts people in a position to grow.
They want you to move up. They want you to make Toro better. They want you to have the best opportunity you can.
But they've encouraged me to take on a role that has allowed me to grow personally.
It's a culture where you can take the chances to learn something new and people will be patient.
If you have the will to learn, this is going to be a great environment for you and a great place to work.
I'm a great fan of learning no matter where you are in your life or in your career.
Toro had a generous tuition assistance program that helped me go to law school while I was still an engineer here.
And I said to my boss, I really want to get my master's. That's one of my dreams. That's what I want to do. He said, sign up, we'll make it work.
If I don't like something in one area, I can take some classes, go to school, learn a couple things, and move to a different area.
I think that if you have an interest, that there are opportunities at Toro for you to develop in whichever way you want to go, kind of regardless of where you start.
The opportunities of move to different groups, different divisions, interacting with different people.
The investment that Toro is willing to put in the development of people and education, formal and informal, that's the true manifestation of how Toro feels about its people, because it's an investment.
This is my first job, and I never expected that I would be here for 10 years.
I have worked for Toro for 2 months.
21 years?
For almost 15 years.
It's been a terrific experience for me over the last 30 years.
Career-wise, I do think I have a long career ahead of me at Toro, and I believe I'll be happy here.
Toro's got me hook, line, and sinker right now, and I'm really looking forward to my future here.